Fractures are very common, maybe during sports injuries, road accidents, fall, or even a regular small accidents. In any of this case, your first aid is always immobilize. Without actually rushing to the hospital, the first thing that you have to do is make sure the injured part has been immobilized. You can use the items in and around to immobilize. May it be a splint or a stick or even a hard cardboard can be used as a support for the injury. On top of it, you can support the splint with the help of a kerchief or a tie or a tourniquet, something like this. By doing this, you are avoiding a movement of an injured limb. May it be at the hand, limb, pelvic, any part of the fracture, your intention should always be on immobilizing that part. Also, if possible, while you have immobilized the limb, try to avoid the entire movement of the limb by tying with a dupatta or a towel, or even if you have a professional triangle bandage like this. This will avoid a movement of a joint and hence reduce worsening of the fracture. Without wasting much of a time, you will have to take him to the nearest hospital where there is a facility of X-ray so that they can monitor a fracture injury much better. Thank you.